the really delicate barrel of the machine gun. Now the Hargo met Russian tanks at Khalkhin Gol in 1939, a battle we don't tend to talk about too much, but the Japanese learnt there not to mess with the Russians. The Russians were with BT tanks under Marshal Zhukov. That's why the Japanese never tried to take on the Russians again. They learnt their lesson in 39. But of course they then start meeting in the Pacific the tank we see behind, the M3 Stuart. This is an American tank put together from components the Americans have been experimenting with all through the 1930s. The American military in the 1930s is relatively small. MacArthur, the commander of the military, does not want to lose men. He would much rather pay for the defence budget for soldiers than buying large fleets.